So here we have a typical cooler for the air system and cooling system and radiators on top of the roof of a building here on your air conditioners. So the building's being serviced by the refrigeration and heating and plumbing mechanic. And what we have here is we have a pigeon nest. So your mechanics are busy servicing a machine and there's pigeon poop and that all over. Underneath the cooler we look for evidence, and there we have it. We have the poop. Now, knowing what poop can do if ingested through the air tracts, through the skin dermally or through the mouth, it is a really terrible form of disease carrier, and it's transmitted mostly when dry and in the form of dust. Now, the coolers are sucking the air in, drying the poop out, and the poop is being lifted up into the air and pulled into the radiator. So I'll look up into the radiator and give you an idea of what is here. And this is the radiator. You can see the years of feathers and things that have been there. We've got nests that are right inside, and the pigeons are in there, and they are resting in there. They're resting in there and roosting. And your mechanics are gayfully working on the top here. And when these fans are working and rotating all the air, my question would be, what is your responsibility to them and the air they breathe? Should they be removing this and having it cleaned up and sanitized before they work on equipment? Or should they continue to work on equipment like this? There's no value to health. One person gets sick now because they saved a few $100s on cleaning. My question to you as a business owner of a refrigeration company or as a company would be, what is your obligation? Think about it. Call us at 1-855-777-2290.